Hello, so good evening everyone. So welcome sa ating 30 days effective roadmap for passing agricultural licensure examination. Our topic for today is all about large ruminant production and management. So this is for subject module animal science. So we are module number 4. So large ruminant production and management. So let's be ready. So we will start with number 1. So, okay. So the modern cattle today is said to be descendant from Auroch. So what is the scientific name of Auroch? So Pupagus granis, Bibus banting, Bos primigenus, Bibus frontalis. So Auroch po is Bos primigenus. Yan po ang scientific name ng Auroch. So, okay. Number 2. The male breeding cattle is termed as. So ano pong tawag ng male breeding cattle? Steer, stag, bull, calf. Ang tawag po is bull. So what is the scientific name of for temperate hamless breed of cattle? Wala pong hump, hindi kagaya ng Brahman na merong hump. So ano pong tawag? Bos banting, Bos indicus, Bos taurus, Bos zebus. So ang tawag po is Bos indicus, Bos taurus. Yung walang hump, Bos taurus po yan. Hamless. So Bos taurus. So what region in the Philippines where commercial cattle farm are most likely situated? So dyan po ang pinakamaraming cattle farm, commercial cattle farm in the Philippines. So saan po? A. Central Luzon, B. Southern Tagalog, C. Bicol Region, D. Northern Mindanao. So ano po? So what region in the Philippines where commercial cattle farm are most likely situated? So it is found in Central Luzon. Female carabao that has not yet produced any young. It is Karabul, Karakaw, Karahiper, Karahiperit. Karahiper po yung wala pang nanganak na Carabao. Karahiper. So, what fat in young calves direct milk into the abomasum by passing the rumen reticulum and abomasum? So, anong tawag dyan? So, rumen bypass groove. So, masticulus parsimonies, esophageal groove, reticulum omasum. It is called esophageal groove. If yung calf, di ba, magdidi siya from milk diretso sa abomasum. Esophageal groove ang tawag po niyan. In ruminants, where are the non-degradable protein absorbed? Large intestine, small intestine, rumen, liver. So, the absorption in the non-degradable protein is found in the small intestine. So, may mga bilay doon, maliliit na mga hair-like structure. Yan ang nag-absorb ng mga nutrient. So, found in small intestine. At how many days can pregnancy be detected by rectal palpitation? So, ilang days? Ang rectal palpitation po, dun sa ari ng Carabao, titingnan doon kung ito yung ari, titingnan doon, kapakapain. If my heartbeat, my pump, meaning positive siya na buntis, ang tawag dyan is rectal palpitation. So, how many days can pregnancy be detected by palpitation? So, how many days? Before 14 days, between 14 to 35 days, between 40 to 55 days, between 60 to 95 days. Ang tamang sagot is 14 to 35 po. Which compartment in the ruminant stomach is similar to the human stomach? So, ano po? What is the true stomach of the ruminants? Diba na, may 4 na compartment po yung stomach ng ruminants. RROA, rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. So yan po, RROA, rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. So the true stomach is called the true stomach, tinatawag yan na abomasum. Ang umasum po is the mini flies, libro-libro. Ang honeycomb is called reticulum. So okay, so which compartment in the ruminant stomach is similar to the human is called abomasum. Milk fever is also known as, ano po ang milk fever? So postpartum paresis, mammoparesis, masticular paresis, parturient paresis. Ano pong tawag? Ang tawag po is parturient paresis. So, if the estrus in an average Philippine native start at 5 a.m. to May 25, what time will it end? So, so titingnan natin kung ilang days yung estrus period. So 5 a.m. On paparati itong lumalabas sa exam. Ganito. So estrus if the estrus of an average Philippine native start with 5 a.m. on the May 25, what time it will end? So May 25, 5 p.m., May 25, 8 p.m., May 25, 11 p.m. So, So, titingnan natin kung ilang hours. So, ilang hours. So, 5 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8 hours na sa 8 plus 11, 19 hours. So, ilang oras pa? So, yung estrus period ng native Carabao is hindi siya 24 hours. It will take 19 hours. So, 5 a.m. So, ang tamang sagot is May 25, 11 p.m. po. 11 p.m. So, 11 p.m. sa 25. So, mag-count tayo. So, from 5 plus 5, count tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 8 hours na sa tanghali ng 12. Plus 11, 8 plus 11 equals 19 hours. So, meron siyang 19 hours ang stress period ng Philippine native Carabao. So, May 25, 11 p.m. po. So, what do you call a matured male horse? Matured male horse, it is called stallion po, stallion. Foot and mouth disease occur in which of the following animal? So, saan parati makikita yung foot and mouth disease? So, cattle and sheep, cattle and swine, cattle, sheep, and swine. So, ang foot and mouth disease, makikita siya parati sa cattle and swine. So, number 14, a matured female breeding cattle, one that has given birth, is termed as, ang tawag po dyan, if nanganak na po yung cattle natin is cow. What term describe a ration that is low in energy, high in ruggage and fiber, and high in protein relative to the energy content? So ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Term ang ginagamit, a ration in low energy, mahina lang yung energy, mataas po yung ruggage at mataas din ang fiber. So high in protein relative to the energy content. So starter ration, growing ration, finishing ration. So it is called starter ration. High potassium intake will decrease a cow ability to mobilize what? If ang potassium intake po natin, so anong mangyayari? Bone phosphate, lymphocyte, bone calcium, immunoglobulin. So, bababa po, repeat po yung question. High potassium intake will decrease our ability to mobilize what? Ano po, mo decrease pong ang pag-use niya ng bone phosphate, lymphocyte, bone calcium, immunoglobulin. Ang tawag po is bone calcium. Which material should be higher in ration of the pregnant cow? Which material should be higher in ration of the pregnant cow? Ano po? Fats, protein, carbohydrates, dry matter. Ang tamang sagot po is protein po kasi meron po siyang dinadalang baby. So, dapat more on protein. The heart girth measure of the cow can be used to estimate what? Heart girth. So, dito po, ito yung buong abdominal body ng heart girth dito. So, measure of cow may be used estimate to. So, age, milk production, calving date, body weight. Ang purpose po, if mag-measure tayo ng heart girth is para makita natin kung ilan yung to estimate the body weight. What do you call the act of mating in carabaos? An act of mating in carabaos. Backing, tapping, covering, serving. Ang tawag po is serving. A natural or genetically hornless cattle is termed as wala po siya pwede natural or genetically modified. Wala po siyang horn. Ang tawag dyan is dry stacker polled proven. Ang tawag po is polled. What dehorning practices that uses an acid-based liquid to prevent growth of the horn? So, meron po tayong nilalagay na liquid base para hindi po tutubo yung horn. Anong tawag? Hot iron cautery, freeze cautery, acid cautery, caustic cautery. So, ang tawang sagot po dito is what dehorning practices that uses acid-based liquid to prevent growth of horn is caustic cautery. Which breed is noted for its carcass quality? Which breed is noted for its carcass quality? Ito po yung ginagamit ito po minsan always ginagamit sa corned beef. Angus, Hereford, Chinina, Limousin. Ang parati pong ginagamit is kagaya ng Australian. So ang parating nakikita natin na breed dyan is Angus. Cow that are at risk of developing ketosis can be fed with what vitamin to prevent ketosis? So ketosis, so ano pong ibig sabihin ng ketosis? Ketosis po is lack of a vitamin. So basta i-search nyo na lang po kasi limited tayo ng time. So, what is ketosis? So, if ketosis occur, it can prevented through aid of vitamins. For what vitamin? So, it is niacin, zinc, vitamin C, D. So, it is called niacin to prevent ketosis. So, if there are a large number of flies around the barn, what should be the first thing to be examined in attempt to solve the fly problem? Cow feeding procedure, milking procedure, manure handling procedure, calf feeding procedure. So, ang tamang sagot po is manure handling procedure. Kasi, ang flies, dun sila nangingitlog sa cow dung. So, titingnan natin kung maganda ba yung drainage system ng solid at liquid waste disposal nila. So, cow manure handling procedure. So, number 25. What breed is known to produce milk over a great number of years than all other breeds? So, ano pong tinatawag? So, mataas po siya. What breed is known to produce milk over a great number of years than other breed. So, Brown Swiss, Guernsey, Jersey Shorthorn. Ang tawag po dyan na breed is Brown Swiss. What do you call the groupings of Carabao? Anong pong tawag? Drove, Cara, Band, Herd. Ang tawag po dyan sa Carabao, same din sa cattle is herd. How much water can a lactating cow consume in one day? How much water can a lactating cow consume in one day? Ilan po yung makonsume na water na isang lactating cow sa isang araw? So, how much? So, 5 gallons, 15 gallons, 35 gallons, 25 gallons. So, the correct answer is, is 25 gallon po. 25 gallon per day po ang makonsume ng isang lactating cow. A matured female horse is called mare. What unit of measurement is used when injecting vaccine? So, ang ginagamit po dyan is cc. If vaccine, cc po. cc. Excess amount of what major nutrient during gestation can cause dystocia in cattle? Ano pong dystocia is difficulty of delivery or labor. So, excess of what major nutrient during gestation can cause dystocia in cattle. So, paano po? So, carbohydrates, fats, protein, water. So, ang tamang sagot po is protein. Because if too much rin ng protein, lalaki yung baby sa loob. So, malaki din yung head niya. Kaya, nagka-problema sa dystocia kasi sobrang laki ng head, hindi malabas-labas. So, yan din yung difficulties natin if too much protein intake. Okay? So, where do you find an alveolus? Where do you find alveolus? Intestine, udder, omasum, rumen. So, it is found in udder, the teat cistern sa mga dairy cattle. So, nandyan. Ito yung teats, di ba? So, nandyan yung alveolus. So, the following are given of calf rearing except. So, except be careful with the word except. So, modified to. So, basta may except. So, calf that has not sucked 5 to 6 hours after calving should be led to her mother. So, calf should not be given concentrate at an early age for faster growth. Calf that is weak should be taken to his mother during bad weather. Calf should suckle colostrum from the mother within 3 hours after calving. So, ano pong hindi dyan totoo. So, ang tamang sagot is except ito po lahat tama. Isa lang yung hindi tama. So, ano pong hindi tama? Except calf should not be given concentrate at an early age for faster growth. So, kailangan po pinapakain niya ng concentrate para mas lumaki. So, ito po yung confidential or except dyan. So, letter B. So, what do you call the offspring of cattle of either sex less than 1 year old, 1 year of age? Ano pong tawag? It is termed as calf. Letter D. So, what percentage of crude protein should a calf starter be? So, ilang percentage or crude protein? CP. So, it should be 16 to 18. Wait lang po. Okay, 35. So, what kind of relationship do cattle and microorganism in the rumen have? So, ano pong tawag nila? Is commensalism, parasitism, amensalism, symbiosis. Bakit po symbiosis? Kasi, yung bacteria sa loob ng rumen yun yung magda-digest yung bacteria, fungi, at anything na makikita natin, mga acid forming microorganism. Sila ang tumutulong para ma-breakdown yung mga ragage or fiber natin doon. If ma-breakdown sila, akala nila happy sila kasi may pagkain doon sa loob. At the end of the day, pagpunta nila sa bumasom, doon sila gigilingin. So, ang source of protein ng one of the source of protein ng Carabao is the bacteria presence inside the rumen. So, madadigest yun, ma-absorb sa body. So forth. So, yun ang cycle. So, ang tawag dyan is symbiosis. So, which of the following dairy breeds milk is golden yellow in color? Golden yellow in color. So, yung color talaga niya is golden yellow. Jersey, Guernsey, short horn, Iser. Kaya ito din, ginagamit din siya parati sa cheese production. Kasi color yellow, mas maganda yung cheese na color yellow. So, anong tawag? This breed is called Guernsey, letter B. 37. What do you call the act of riding the horse? So, anong tawag yan? Equestrian, horsemanship, equitation, dressage. Ang tawag po, equitation po. So, what do you call a male Carabao castrated after reaching sexual maturity? Anong tawag po? Karastir, karastag, karabul, karahipir. Nakastraight siya after pagkatapos niya na reach yung sexual maturity. Ang tawag po dyan is karastag. Which breed was not developed from crossing other breeds? So, which breed? So, not developed from other crossing breeds. So, ito na breed na to is it is pure breed. So, ano po yung pure breed dito? So, Santa Gertrudis, Beefmaster, Columbia, Arabian. Ang tawag po, isang pure breed dito, ang lahat is a hybrid or crossbreed. So, ito lang po, Arabian, ang pure breed dito. Wait lang po Sorry po. So, number 40. When is the best time to feed ionic salt to the dairy cow? When is the best time to feed ionic salt to dairy cow? So, 2 days before calving. So, 2 weeks prior calving while the the cow is calving. So, immediately after calving. So, calving means nanganak na siya after labor. Yan ang tawag sa act of giving birth sa cattle. So, ano pong the best time to feed ionic salt to the dairy? It is 2 weeks prior calving. So, mag-administer po tayo may feeding program po tayo sa ionic salt to dairy cow. So, okay. Dark skin breed of cattle with white coat given the impression of very pale gray. May dark skin siya, may white coating, the impression of a very pale gray. So, anong tawag niya na breed? Charolais, Simmental, Santa Gertrudis, Chinina. So, it is called Charolais. Where are degradable protein breakdown? So, where are degradable protein breakdown? Saan po siya na-breakdown? So, it is breakdown in rumen, reticulum, bumasom, umasum, rumen. So, it is the degradable protein is degrade in rumen because meron tayong presence ng mga bacteria doon at mga enzyme. So, yung mga degradable protein doon po na digest kasi ang ilan is ginagamit din ng bacteria to replicate itself. So, okay. So, it is found in the rumen. Okay, number 43. So what are the two main problem affecting reproductive rate? So bakit may dalawang problema naka-apekto sa pag-reproductive rate ng isa? So one is heat detection and heat stress, heat detection and conception rate, heat detection and estrus, heat detection and size of an animal. So ang tamang sagot po dito is heat detection and conception rate. So if mamali tayo sa heat detection, isa din 'yun sa problema, then conception rate. So what do you call a male calf? So anong tawag po? Bull calf, heifer calf, bulling heifer. So anong tawag? Yearling. So it is called bull calf. So bull calf. Sorry po. So when does the greatest mammary tissue growth occur during a cow life? So kailan po lalaki yung udder or yung mammary gland o mammary tissue ng isang cows? Kailan po? So before the cow is born, at puberty, during first pregnancy, during second pregnancy. Siyempre dun sa during first pregnancy. So lalaki yung udder, yung mammary gland, yung mammary tissue ng isang karabaw. Yung isang cow. So the skin of matured cattle is called Skin of matured cattle is called pelt, nulx, hide, mohair. Ang tawag po dyan is hide. Which breed of cattle developed in Texas is a cross of Brahman and Shorthorn? So, ano po yung na-develop sa Texas, a cross of Brahman and Shorthorn. So, sa Texas kasi, ang Brahman is parang from India. So, may mga hump. So, Brahman. So, ang Shorthorn at saka Longhorn, doon yun, native yan sa Texas. So nag-cross sila ng Brahman at saka Shorthorn. So saan yan? Anong tawag? Braford, Santa Gertrudis, Brangus, long hair. Ang tawag po dyan is Santa Gertrudis. So what is lactogenesis? The initiation of estrus, the cessation of milk production, the initiation of milk secretion, beginning of mastitis infection. So lactogenesis is lacto from the word milk, and genesis is origin. So it is initiation of milk secretion. So which of the following French breed of cattle which is noted for its high cutability? So cutability. So what is French breed? So ano po yan? So, Limousin, Angus, Simmental, Santa Gertrudis. Santa Gertrudis is not American at saka Indian siya. So, Angus, hindi rin. American breed to. Simmental, di natin alam. So, tingnan mo, yung mga word ng mga limousine, di ba? From car, saan yan galing? Di ba galing yan sa French? So, limousine is a French word. So, it is a French breed. So, Limousin. Tamang sagot is Limousin. So, what do you call a female carabao that has delivered a young ones? Female carabao that has delivered. So, ang tawag dyan is female carabao that has delivered young one. So, ang tawag dyan is carahiperit. So, number 51, which of the following British breed noted for marbling? Galing siya sa British. So, ano yan? Limousin, Angus, Santa Gertrudis, Simmental. So, ito po ay, So, British breed noted for marbling is Angus. Fear can disrupt milk let down in cow. The hormone releasing that causes disruption is progesterone, pinephrine, oxytocin, prostaglandin. So ano po, ang nag-disrupt nito is the hormone epinephrine. Epinephrine. In branding carabaos for identification, it is recommended to heat branding iron until it become what color. So, yung nakakita na kayo ng branding iron. So, isa yung branding iron, bakal yan na may something parang acronym ng lugar or sample doon sa paaralan namin si Imyo. Yung mga baka doon, nagbabranding sila. Ang tinatakan nila is CMU. So, for identification, so, ano ang recommended kulay ng yung branding of iron? So, until it becomes what color? Bluish gray, red hot, greenish yellow, yellow orange. So, it will be bluish gray. So what feed stuff that can be added to help prevent feed separation and settled dust in mixed feed? So anong ginagamit nila? Ginagamit siya parang binder, kumbaga. So distilled grain, corn gluten, urea, molasses. It is molasses. So what do you call young offspring of horse either 6 less than 1 year old? It is called foal. Which of the following Australian breed is noted for high growth and milk? High growth and milk. So Australian siya. So it is Limousin, Sanyang Limousin. Prince Angus is British. So sa target Rhodis is from Texas. So Texas and Brahma. So shorthorn. So Simmental is for Australian breed. So you want to improve milking ability of your beef herd. Milking ability of your beef herd. What trait should you select? Beef herd, milking ability. So ano pong tinitingnan natin? Birth weight, yearling weight, weaning weight, matured weight. So it is always the winning weight. Kung kagaya sa biik, kung sino yung pinakamalaking at winning weight if after separation sa mother, yung paglutas natin. So, yan ang tawag winning. So, kung ilan yung timbang, kung sino pinakamalaki, yun ang pinaka-the best. So, 58. The percentage of fat of milk of what dairy breeds of cattle is the highest among dairy breeds of cattle. Sa lahat ng dairy breeds in terms of milk fat, so siya yung pinaka-highest. Sino po? So Guernsey, Jersey, Ayrshire, Brown Swiss. It is Jersey. For the best calf should be feed colostrum within blank of calving. For the best calf should be feed colostrum with blank of calving. So, ilan? First hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, first day. So, ang pinaka-the best talaga is to feed the colostrum within 1 hour. Dapat ma-feed na natin ng colostrum because colostrum is the first milk rich in antibiotic, rich in mataas siya sa for antibodies and protection of the young. So, a domesticated bovine animal is called, ano pong tawag sa domesticated bovine? It is called ox, cattle, cow, heifer. It is cattle. So, at what age of a calf have fully developed rumen? So, na-develop na po yung rumen niya. So, wala na po yung esophageal group. So, 1 month, 1 year, 4 months, 2 weeks. It is 4 months. Fully developed na po ang rumen. So, number 62. When should a cow be artificially bred if she is seen in standing heat? Tomorrow. So, if nga tomorrow makikita mo siya nag-i-standing heat siya, kailan ka mag-a-administer ng artificial insemination? So, tomorrow morning po siya, tomorrow morning. So, the day after tomorrow, tomorrow evening, Sunday night. So, it is advisable that you must artificially inseminate it in tomorrow evening. So, tomorrow evening. So, at least meron siyang ilang hours. So, kita mo, example, 6 a.m. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7 plus afternoon din, 7. So, 6 plus 7 equals at least may 13 hours siya. Because, bakit hindi natin siya i-artificially inseminate that time? Because, ang target natin is marami siyang ma-produce na Graafian follicle. Ano tong Graafian follicle? This is follicle that kailangan natin dun sa kanyang ovary. So, matured na yung mga follicle niya or egg cell. Para after that, na if ma-inseminate natin, yung matured follicle, mag-meet sila sa sperm. So, mataas yung survivability rate nila. So, okay, kaya nga, tomorrow evening. So, 63, a male cattle whose testis has been removed or castrated after sexual maturity. Anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is stag. Stag. After. Before, ang tawag is stare. So, wala, kailan sila mag-meet ng sexual maturity? Example, sa tao. If may Adam's apple na, may pubic hair na, yan yung time ng sexual maturity. Saka, at least mga 1 year, ganon, or 1.5 year. So, mag-matured siya, before mag-matured, i-castrate no, ang tawag is stare. After siya mag-matured, ang tawag dyan is stag. So, a disease transmitted through natural mating which causes abortion, low conception rate, and irregular heat cycle. So, ano pong tawag niyan? Milk fever, grass tetany, fibrosis, ketosis. Ang tawag dyan is fibrosis. Abortion in last trimester of pregnancy is often caused by, so, trimester, last trimester is parang 9 months, ganun. Last trimester nila. Between the 7, 8, 9 months, magka-abortion dyan. So, anong dahilan? Milk fever, agalaxia, mastitis. So, it is called brucellosis. Milk fever, wala pang milk dito. Agalaxia, wala pa rin. Mastitis, wala pa rin. So, brucellosis po ang tamang sagot. So, it is stallion with with only one testis or none in its scrotum. Ano pong tawag dyan? Yardmare, gelding, colt, redgling. So, ang tawag dyan is redgling. The population of beef cattle in the Philippines is approximately how many millions? So, in the Philippines, we are 120 or 125 million in the Philippines. Ilan na yung percentage ng cattle natin, beef cattle? So, ang percentage ng beef cattle natin is how many millions? So, 5 million, 3 million, 7 million, 9 million. It is what? 3 million. As a rule of thumb, so when milk production, blank the milk fat content. So, if, example, if increase, decrease. So, as a rule of thumb, when decrease milk production, the higher the fat content. So, the higher the fat content. Yan po. As the rule of thumb, when milk production, decrease milk production, increases milk fat. Number 69, a female cattle that has not yet produced any offspring. Female cattle that has not yet produced any offspring. Anong tawag? Cow, stacker, heifer, heiferit. It is called heifer. Yung female cattle na wala pa siya nag-produce in any offspring. So, at least 1 year old pa lang siya. So, or hindi pa siya nakaproduce or na breed or na serve. So, it is called heifer. What result from breeding a sire to his own daughter? So, anong tawag? So, hybrid vigor, inbreeding, crossbreeding, heterosis. It is called inbreeding. Inbreeding. A matured female carabao is caracao. Tinatawag po yan, caracao. To measure carrying capacity of pasture, usually one animal unit is equivalent in to how many kilograms? Sa isang unit of animal unit, how many kilogram ang equivalent? So, example, per day, 300 kilogram. So, 275 kilogram, 250 kilogram, 325. So, it is always 300 kilogram yung standard because target po natin is yung beef production natin is at least maibenta natin siya na 300 kilos. So, yan po. Kaya nga, 1:1 ratio sa isang kilong timbang, 1 kilo din na pagkain yung kinakain niya. So, 300 kilogram. So, which of breed does not have any Brahman influence? Longhorn, Santagratoris, Beefmaster, Brangus. So, Santagratoris is Brahman. From the word Brahman and Angus, Beefmaster is half Brahman. So, Longhorn po is a native rin doon sa Texas. Kasama ng Shorthorn. So, a young offspring of Carabao, either sex less than 1 year of age. Yeah, anong tawag po? Either. So, caracal po ang tawag. What does the term prescient means in relationship to dairy production? Ano pong tawag? To become pregnant, to give birth, to stop producing milk, to exhibit sign of extreme agitation. So, prescient, the term prescient means in relation to dairy production is called what? To give birth. To give birth. So, which type of 76. Which type of cattle raising is considered most challenging because the breeder has to be familiar with the reproductive cycle and management practices? So, breeder, growing, fattening, dairy, cow-calf. So, ang type of cattle raising is considered most challenging because the breeder has to be familiar with the reproductive cycle and management practices involved. It is cow-calf. Cow-calf. Which of the following is not considered to be the British breed? So, hindi po siya British. So, Hereford, Angus, Shorthorn, Chinina. So, it is Chinina. After calving, the cow expel the afterbirth. What is the other term for afterbirth? Pastorella placenta infundibulum horn of the uterus. Infundibulum horn of the uterus. This is the fallopian tube. Pastorella, di ko yan alam. So it is the placenta. Placenta. Or anong tawag na term niyan? Nakalimutan ko doon sa basta placenta. So okay. So, a male carabao castrated while young or before reaching sexual maturity. Before, ang tawag dyan is caraster. What represent the largest dairy input cost in producing milk? So, ano po yung what represent the largest dairy input cost in producing milk? Labor, water, animal, feeds. So, ang kasi yung mga dairy, pinapakain niya ng concentrate. Yung concentrate natin dito sa Pilipinas is sobrang mahal. So, kaya nga, napakamahal din, napakahirap din mag-produce ng dairy. So, ang pinakamahal dito is feeds. Which of the following breed of cattle is known for being resistant to foot and mouth disease? So, hindi po siya, hindi siya resistant siya sa foot and mouth disease. Hereford, Brahman, Senhi, Nilor, or Ongola. So, which of the following breed? It is called Brahman. Brahman. So, what is the cause of death of calf with case of the scores? So, scores is nagtatae po yan. So, anong cause niyan? Gut upset, pneumonia, dehydration, kidney blockage. Siyempre, if nagtatae ka, di ba? Sa tao nga, di ba, nade-dehydrate tayo. Dehydration. So, number 83. So, how many days after parturition, act of giving birth, should a farmer wait before breeding a cow's back? So, ilang days? So, di ba, mag-matured yung rumen natin is 4 months sa calf. So, kailan tayo mag-breeding? So, 10 days, 60 days, 120 days, 364 days. So, pwede na po siya i-breed after 60 days. What do you call the large and heavy heifer? Large, heavy heifer. So, heifer. That, ang tawag dyan is carahiferit. So, malaki. Kaya nga sa Carabao, heiferit ang tawag. Why do farmer often add urea to corn silage as it goes from the field into the silo? So, bakit? So, ano pong pinaka-purpose? Increase protein content, increase energy content, add calcium and phosphorus. So, it keep it spoiling. So, nandyan ka na sa silage, hindi na po yan mag-i-spoil kasi naka-design yan para to preserve the corn. So, add calcium and phosphorus kasi urea lang yan. Ang presence na elements is nitrogen only. So, energy content, hindi rin energy content. It is only nitrogen. So, to increase the protein content. So, what percentage of lactating dairy cows have oxytocin in their bloodstream during milking? So, ilang percent po? So, 0%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So, if lactating cow have oxytocin in their bloodstream during milking at what percentage? 100% po. So, nandyan po, 100%. So, okay. A male horse castrated before reaching sexual maturity. So, before pa siya, ang tawag dyan is ester or gelding sa horse po. Ito yung tawag po yan is gelding. So, which hormone is associated with female showing standing heat? Which hormone is associated with female showing standing heat? So, progesterone, prostaglandin, prolactin, estrogen. So, while standing heat po sila, ang presence po dyan sa female is estrogen. What do you call the group of cattle? Ang tawag po dyan is herd. Which important things are contaminated in which important things are contaminated in colostrum? Contaminated in colostrum. Meaning, ang question na to is, ano daw in milk, di ba? Normal milk. Bakit yung colostrum special? Ano pang naka-special sa kanya? So, antibodies, protein fats. So all of this, it is antibodies. Yan po ang pinaka-importante sa colostrum. Which feed can be used as a protein source for cattle and sheep but provide no energy at all. So, So, magpro-provide siya ng protein source sa cattle and sheep but provide no energy at all. Urea, soybean meal, corn gluten feed, cotton seed meal. So, ang tamang sagot is urea. So, shelled corn is used in ration primarily as a source of, ano pong corn? Ang corn is a source of protein, energy, fat, minerals. It is a energy source. So, what is the common method of branding? Branding. So, in a large animal or large ruminant, ano po yung ginagamit? Tattooing, notching, cautery, ginagamit yan pagtanggal sa horn. So, hot iron. So, sa mga large ruminant, ang ginagamit talaga is hot iron. In natural cattle production, where is the semen deposited? In natural cattle production, where is semen deposited? So, saan? So, it is the uterus, ovary, cervix, vagina. So, in natural cattle production, where the semen is deposited is found in the vagina. So, it is a male cattle whose testis has been removed or castrated before sexual maturity. It is called before is there. It is considered as permanent method of identification, permanent, or tattooing, branding, or notching. So, ang tawag dyan is pinaka permanent dyan is branding. Kasi piklat yan eh. Tattooing, minsan mag-fade yung ink. So, ang pinaka-permanent dyan is branding. When is a grass o as its most nutritious stage? Kailan po ang pinaka-nutritious stage ng grass? So, vegetation, full bloom, vegetative, full bloom, early bloom, matured. So, in a vegetative stage because yung at young, so yung nutrients ng lupa kinukuha na pa nila. So yan, kaya nga if yang pa yung damo natin, nandyan pa yung mga nutrients na marami. So what color can cattle see? So ano pong nakikita ng cattle? All colors, primary colors, secondary colors, none. So, according to research that ang cattle natin hindi siya makakita, kaya non-colors. So, what do you call the technique used by cowboys to topple down the large ruminants with the use of rope? Ano pong tawag dyan? Ang tawag dyan is casting down. Kaya nga doon sa school namin or sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar or sa ibang school, pag agriculture ka, lalo na pag animal science, ang tawag dyan is casting down. Yung tinatawag na rodeo. So, ito, maganda to na laro. Dream ko din sana noon na maging hasindero tayo. May baka. Yan yung dream natin. Baka soon ma-realize natin. Sige, so casting down. Manure digester convert blank fuel into electricity. So ano pong kind of gas? So manure digester converted fuel into electricity, propane, methane, ethanol, biodiesel. Ethanol hindi, biodiesel hindi, propane parang hindi. So pinaka-importante talaga dito is methane. So may methane gas, may manure digester tayo, kino-convert ito into fuel or into electricity. So okay, so stop muna tayo dito, then balik tayo agad for 101 to 200. So hello, so good evening. So let's continue to 101. Feed additives that are formed in ration 2. Feed additives that are put in ration 2. So, anong purpose ng feed additives? So, increase rate of grain, improve feed efficiency, treat disease. So, anong tawag? So, disease, all of this. Tama po yan lahat. So, number 102. So, which of the following is a good source of protein for beef ration? So, good source of protein in ration. So, corn, soybean meal, trace mineral. So, corn, walang protein. So, trace mineral, wala rin. Minerals yung binibigay niya. So, ang pinaka-good source of protein is soybean meal. In a typical artificial insemination program or AI, cow detect in heat this morning would be bred at the kailan po? So, at noon today, late this afternoon, so during late evening is 11 p.m. So, ganun. So, tomorrow morning. So, what do you suggest? So, in the late afternoon. So, maganda yung cow. If morning sa nag-in-heat, so, we will breed it in the late this afternoon. So, what vitamin is classified as fat-soluble vitamins? Fat-soluble vitamins is bit D, bit K, bit B, bit A. So, it is bit B. Urea is a non-protein nitrogen source indicated for. Urea is non-protein nitrogen source indicated for. Saan siya? Swine, poultry, ruminants. If magpakain ka sa swine at poultry, dedo yan. So, it is for only ruminants. Kasi, they are, ruminants because of their ability to, kasi may compartment sila. So, sa simple lang yung stomach ng baboy at saka yung manok modified simple, parang ganun. Kasi may gizzard na siya. So, delikado if mga intake sila ng urea. So, okay. So, the process of preparing calves for the stress of being moved into feedlot is, ano pong tawag niyan? So, piniprepare natin para sa stress of being moved into feedlot is preconditioning, finishing, stacking, transferring. It is called preconditioning. So, the small flakes of fats in the cut of beef which give meat is flavor and is also one of the factor indicating the quality is called, anong tawag niyan? Same fat, external part, fat, marbling, speak fat. So, kaya yung pinaka masarap na meat is Wagyu kasi yung characteristic niya is meat fats, meat fat, meat fat, meat fats. So, maganda yung quality ng marbling niya. So, ganun. So, marbling. The local dairy contribute how many percent to the total national dairy output? So, sa palagay nyo, ilang percent? It is 1% lang po yung dairy sa Pilipinas. So, cow treated with bovine somatotropin, BST, typically show an increase in milk production of, so, mga ilang percent yung increase. It is 2%, 10%, 25%, 50%. It is 10%. When a plant material is chopped and packed into a silo, the forage is conserved by anaerobic fermentation. It is, anong tawag? Soilage, silage, haze, green crops. It is called silage, filter B. Among the following, which has the smallest share of total livestock inventory in the Philippines? So, carabaos, cattle, goat, poultry. It is smallest share of total livestock inventory in the Philippines. It is carabao. Kasi lumiliit na yung carabao natin eh. Ilan na lang yung nagamit ng carabao. Basta maliit na lang. So, which compartment of a cow's stomach is located closely to the heart? So, closely located to the heart. So rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. It is reticulum closely located in the heart. Dairy breeds which produce highest volume of milk. So ano po? So Holstein, Brown Swiss, Ayrshire, Jersey. It is Holstein Friesian. Letter A. Forcing animal to eat what is on the small pasture and then move them to another pasture and so on is called, anong tawag niyan? So, intravenous feeding, choice feeding, controlled grazing, self-feeding. So, ang tawag dyan is controlled grazing kasi if ano lang yung nasa feedlot, yun lang yung i-graze nila. So, kasi nakapadaks yan eh. Which of the following is not considered to be British breed? So, hindi po siya British breed. So, Hereford, Angus, Shorthorn, Chinina. Chinina po ang tamang sagot. Chinina. What stomach compartment are not developed in newborn calf? So, it is the rumen and the reticulum. Hindi po siya na-develop, rumen and reticulum. The following are example of leguminous forage species except Arachis pintoy, Stylo Gerenesis, Panicomaxima, Desmodium cineraria. So it is the Panicomaximum. Panicomaximum is the Napier grass. Hindi po yan. Grass is a kind of grass, hindi sa legumes. So what mineral is most important in preventing grass tetany? So ano po para ma-prevent natin yung grass tetany? Phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, vitamin C. So it is magnesium to prevent grass tetany. Rumen of a cow is located. So rumen of a cow is located. Saan located ang rumen? So left side of the body, right side of the body, rear of the animal, along the top of animal. So it is located at the left side of the body. Rumen. How many Carabao Center does the PCC have? Ilan po yung Philippine Carabao Center natin? Para paki-search na lang po, baka nadagdagan na ngayon 2023 or next year 2024 kasi undergo pa yung iba. So dito po ang data dito is 13 Philippine Carabao Center. Dystocia in beef is called is an infectious disease, hormone, vitamin C deficiency, difficulty of calving difficulty. Ito pong tama, calving difficulty. So, rumen of matured cow will hold approximately sa matured cow, 'di ba? Ilan 'yun? Ang water na ni-intake daily ng matured cow is 25. So, ilang gallons? So, dapat more than 20 kasi kakain pa siya, 'di ba? 5 gallons, 10 gallons, 20 gallons, 40 gallons. So, ang tamang sagot is 40 gallons. Feeds which build bones and teeth and are necessary for important body processes are called, anong tawag? Protein, minerals, fats, vitamins. Feeds which build for bone and teeth. So it is the minerals. Wala nang iba. A common management practices formula in bull calves which are not wanted for breeding purposes. Ano pong ginagamit? So, if mag-breeding purposes ka, hindi talaga siya. So, culling, stunning, castration, upgrading. So, it is, if yung management mo is for growing or for karne talaga, so it is advisable for castration. Pero pag breeding, so, hindi na kailangan ng castration kasi need mo na magparami. Hindi mo kinokontrol. So, a system of beef production wherein animals are confined and are feed on a cut and carry basis. So, anong tawag dyan? Feedlot fattening, farming, confining, ranching. So, ang tawag dyan is feedlot fattening. Feedlot fattening. A group of cattle originated from India. So, It is called Indicus, Asiaticus, Zebus taurus. It is called ano? It is group of originating in India. Tinatawag yan na Zebus. Zebus. This referred to dividing the pasture area into a smaller product and allowing animal to gaze from one paddock to another for a period of 3 to 7 days. Anong tawag dyan? Pre-grazing, ad libitum grazing, selective grazing, rotational grazing. Ang tawag dyan is rotational grazing. Nagro-rotate po sila. So, if you want your steer to grow faster and finish more quickly, which nutrient do you need to increase in ration? So, anong kailangan po natin na grow faster and finish more quickly? It is which nutrient do you need to increase in feed ration? Energy, vitamin A, protein, calcium. It is the energy source. So, dairy ration, especially those for high producing cow, may be buffed to maintain a desirable rumen pH. The most common buffering agent for this is blank calcium, magnesium, sulfates, sodium bicarbonates. Ang tawag po dyan is the most common buffering agent for this is para ma-maintain po yung rumen pH is sodium bicarbonate. So, a cow in heat today would be expected to be in heat again. So, ilang days yung estrous cycle niya. It is kagaya ng swine, 21 days. So, an arbitrary value which is equivalent to a matured calf is called arbitrary value which is equivalent to a matured calf. Okay. So, stock, animal unit, breed, or graze. So, arbitrary value is equivalent to mature calf. So, ang tawag dyan is animal unit. Example, 1 animal unit is equal to. So, ang tawag dyan is animal unit. Arbitrary value. The most preferred method of dehorning young calves is, anong tawag? So, cow stick paste, cow steering beans, gouging, disbudding. Ang tawag dyan is disbudding. Tinatanggal talaga. Disbudding. So, the bigger the testes of the farm animal, the less spermatozoa it can produce. The more spermatozoa it can produce easily to get in heat. It has high libido. Ang tawang sagot is it is the more spermatozoa it can produce. So, the more na mas malaki yung testicle niya, the more na 5 billion or 5 million na spermatozoa ang ma-produce. Which breed is tolerant to high temp, resistant to parasite, but is late maturing and has quality of beef? Anong tawag? Brangus, Simmental, Angus, Limousin. So, it is the Brangus because of the breed of Brahman. So, which exotic breed of cattle originally in Italy? So, from Italy siya. Dibon, Chinina, Limousin, Simmental. So, it is from Italy. It is Chinina. So, exotic breed na po yan. A cryptorchid bull produce sperm but no testosterone. Produce both sperm and testosterone. Produce testosterone but no sperm. Produce neither sperm nor testosterone. So, cryptorchid bull. So, cryptorchid meaning wala siyang bayag or wala siyang egg. So, it is meron siyang testosterone but no sperm. Or neither the sperm nor the testosterone. So, mali po to. Both sperm and testosterone. Hindi na siya makaproduce kasi cryptorchid nga, wala siyang itlog. So, mali po yun. So, which vitamin is related to green forage consumption by cattle. So, anong marami dyan? So, it is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B6. If green forage po yung consumption ng cattle natin, the more, ang higher amount of vitamin dyan is vitamin A. Kasi yung vitamin A nandyan yan sa dahon. Dairy cattle need draggage to concentrate ratio of approximately to maintain the desired fat content in the milk. So, ilan yung percentage niya? 25, 75, 40, 60, 50, 50, 60, 40. So, dapat sa draggage to concentrate ratio, meron kang 40, 60 po. 40% forage, 60% concentrate. Kaya napakamahal ng dairy production dito sa Pilipinas because of this 60% concentrate. So, an intramuscular injection should be given. Intramuscular injection should be given in the muscle, in the vein, under the skin, or in the bone joint. So, intramuscular, inner in the muscle, it is in the muscle. Which among the following is the most less industry developed livestock in the Philippines? Beef, swine, poultry, rabbit. So, it is the most less industry developed livestock commodity in the Philippines. It is the beef kasi sobrang mahal. Sobrang mahal ng production nito ng beef. Sa isang beef, kailangan mo ng tao. Basta, sobrang mahal siya. Ang beef production sa Pilipinas. Rabbit, marami. Kahit every household pwede yan. Poultry, swine. So, madami yan. So, 41. What is the another word for calving difficulty? It is dystocia. So, the term used to describe the edible part of the plant that provide feed grazing animal that can harvested for feeding, it is, anong tawag? The term described to edible part of the plant. Ang pasture is buong pastuhanan. Browse, hindi. Ang browse po is the ability to find masarap na pagkain, or ito browser is the goat. Silage, hindi po. Pinipreserve po. So, anong tama? Ang tama talagang term dito is forage. Milk letdown in dairy cow may be stimulated by massaging the cow, stressing the cow, feeding the cow, let the cow listen to the music. So, milk letdown in dairy can be stimulated by feeding the cow. Kaya nga sa ibang dairy mga farm sa ibang bansa, pinapakain nila habang nagpapump sila ng milk. So, what two breeds cattle were used to develop Santa Gertrudis, 'di ba? Shorthorn and Brahman. Kanina po, 'di ba? Santa Gertrudis is Shorthorn and Brahman. Which of the following is top Carabao producing region in the Philippines? So, saan po? Saan? So, Western Visayas, Eastern Visayas, Cagayan Valley, Soc-Sargent. Ang pinakamaraming top producing Carabao in the Philippines is Eastern Visayas. A feed low in fiber and high in food value is concentrate po yan. Anthrax is a disease caused by bacteria that may remain in the soil for how many years longer? Anthrax is ilang years po siya mabubuhay sa lupa. It is 10, 20, 30, 40. It is 40 years. Ganun ka tagal ang anthrax bago siya mapatay. So, a dairy cow may not reach her highest milk yield until she is, kailan po siya mag-reach ng kanyang, so hindi na siya maka-reach if darating na siya sa edad na to. So, 3 to 4 years, 5 to 10 years old, 4 to 5 years old, 5 to 9 years old, over 10 years old. So hindi na siya maka-reach ng peak yield if dito na po siya na edad, 5 to 9 years old. In breeding herd or flock, when do the highest feed requirement? Breeding herd or flock, when do the highest feed requirement? Pregnancy, early lactation, non-pregnant and lactating during the breeding season. So, ang pinaka-highest po requirements is early lactation para po mabuhay yung ang kanyang mga calves. Early lactation. The Philippine Carabao Center or PCC has some in reproductive technology in 2004 when its first test tube buffalo was born. Was in name of the first test tube buffalo. Ano pong pangalan ng first test tube buffalo? It is called Erap Corey Fernando Po Jr. Gloria. It is called Gloria. The polled Hereford breed of cattle originately in polled walang sungay po. Saan yan na originate? United States, Scotland, France, England. So, polled Hereford breed of cattle originate in England. Water consumption by animals largely depend on many factors. The most important one is respiration, relative humidity, air temperature, vapor pressure. It is ang pinaka-importante talaga bakit ang tumaas or maliit yung water consumption ng isang animal largely depend on air temperature. Temperature talaga. If mataas yung temperature, the more sila mag-consume ng water. The polled Hereford breed originally in England. A Carabao with a weight of 55 inches, mid-growth 55 inches also, and girth is 65 inches. Can you compute the average body weight? So, nakalimutan ko yung formula ng... So, paki-research na lang. I-stop nyo po. Paki-research po ang formula. Pwede nyo i-search sa Google kung paano compute the estimated body weight. Nakalimutan ko. Tingnan nga natin. 55. So, ilang timbang? So, ang tamang timbang po is 250 kg. So, paki-research na lang po. Baka lalabas to. Siyempre, lumalabas talaga to na type of question. Which of the following is or are symptoms of blat? Blat po is lumaki yung lumubo kasi hindi na makaya yung pressure or gases doon sa rumen. So, nag-blat na siya. So, lameness, abortion, bulging of the left side, severe bulging of the right side. So, saan nga yung rumen is? In the left side po ang rumen. So, nag-bulge po yung meron pong bulge. So, bulging in the left side. So, lumubo. Number 156. Wait. Okay. The frame score in the cattle is based on based on the hip and the age and weight, height and the shoulder and the hip, shoulder height, shoulder height and width of the hip, height of the shoulder and weight. So, ang tamang sagot po is shoulder height and width of the hip. So, if nakaganon yung i-measure nyo yung height ng shoulder niya at saka yung width ng hip niya dito sa likod niya. So, yan yung tama. Shoulder height and width of the hip. So, the mating of animal of different breed is also known as crossbreeding, which cattle farming yields low level of production. So, grazing system, zero grazing system, semi-grazing system, free-range. So, which cattle farming yield low level of production is grazing system. Kasi yung grazing system, parang sobrang laki ng area nyo, ginaganon nyo lang doon, ginag-graze lang nyo. So, yan yung tama. Maliit yung low level of production niya, grazing system. So, at what age of growth does grass have the lowest protein? So, yung grass, So, lowest protein content kasi nagamit niya na sa ibang parts niya. Si full bloom, early bloom, middle bloom, pre-bloom. So, at the full bloom. Kasi, yung nutrient content, nagamit niya na sa ibang parts. So, for leaves production or iba. So, kaya nga, maliit na lang yung protein content niya, full bloom. So, raw main microbes can synthesize this microbial protein. Vitamins, carbohydrates, water, non-protein nitrogen. So, it is non-protein nitrogen. I-breakdown yan ng raw main microbes. So, a young female horse from 1 to 3 years old, ang tawag dyan is Felly. Felly po, Felly. 162. In which mating plan is no action taken to determine which animal mates? In which mating plan is no action taken to determine which animal mates? So, hand mating, pin mating, random mating, AI. So, ito po is hand mating, one-on-one yan. So, example, nag-inhit yung isang cow mo. So, pinupupuntahan ng bull. Ang pin mating, 10:1 po yan. 10:1. So, ito, may 10 female ka dyan sa isang paddocks, pinapasukan ng isang bull. Ang random mating, kahit sino lang. So, kung yung bull lang yung bahala. So, ganun. So, random mating po ang tama. So, what do you call a matured male breeding cattle? It is called bull. What animal produce most of the milk in the Philippines? Goat, carabao, cattle, calf. So, it is, what animal produce most of the milk in the Philippines is cattle. Meron tayong mga dairy sa mga malalaking farm. Example, sa Dole and Del Monte. Sa Del Monte, Del Monte Ranch. So, which of the following is higher in protein? Soybean meal, alfalfa pellets, cottonseed meal, all of the above. Ang tama po is, highest content of protein is soybean meal. So, what is the name of the infection of the udder? Mastitis, blood, colostrum infection, milk fever. Mastitis. Mastitis is the udder. Yung namaga yung udder. So, what is the largest feedlot operation in the Philippines? Monterrey, Dialco, Del Monte, El Rancho. So, ang pinakamalaki po dito is the Del Monte. Del Monte po. A young male horse from 1 to 3 years old is called colt. Colt po ang tawag dyan. When feeding a corn silage to lactating feed cows, which two nutrients are usually deficit? Kulang po siya ng, alam ko na yan, calcium and protein. So, calcium and phosphorus, calcium and protein, protein and energy, protein and phosphorus. Ang tamang sagot po is calcium and protein. So, kulang po yung corn silage because sinasabi dito lactating kasi kailangan natin ng protein. A breeding tool which is performed by putting the bull semen in the female genitalia by an instrument instead of natural service, it is called AI, artificial insemination. A yearling about age between 1/2 to 2 years old, anong tawag? It is sorry po. Yearling age between 1 to 2 years old, anong tawag? Heifer calf, short yearling, medium yearling, long yearling. It is long yearling. So, 1/2 to 2 years na siya. The following tropical breeds of the cattle except Sahiwal, Parkar, Simmental, Red Sindhi. It is the Simmental. So, hindi po yan. Red Sindhi, India, Sahiwal, Parkar. Parehas lang din. Simmental po ang hindi. So, during production cycle of cow, when are the nutritional demanded at the highest? During production cycle of the cow. So, kailan? So, early gestation, early lactation, late gestation, late lactation. Ang pinaka-highest nutritional demand is early lactation, yung nagpapagatas po siya. Kasi, kailangan natin bigyan ng source of pagkain para sa kanyang calves, young calves. Wait lang po. Sorry po, lack po of vitamin C. Pasensya na po. So, lack early, anaplasmosis is the protozoan disease in the cattle produced by destruction of red blood cells causing anemia and death. Treatment of the following disease following is vaccination, inoculation, injecting cattle with penicillin, eradicating the infected animal, prescription of broad spectrum antibiotics such as tetracycline. So, ano pong pinaka mabisa? So, anaplasmosis protozoan disease. So, ang best treatment nito is prescription of broad spectrum antibiotics such as tetracycline. So, if we are to give a stir at an intramuscular injection of a product which causes tissues irritation, which is prepared injection site. So, if mag-inject tayo, tapos meron siyang tissues irritation, saan pwede yung advisable? So, saan? Sa rump, loin, quarter, neck. So, it is in the neck. Mas maganda talaga sa jugular, sa neck. A matured female horse intended for breeding is female horse brood mare. Tawag dyan. Which of the following is not true about the result of castration in domesticated animals? So, more tractable animals. So, attractive na ba yung if wala ka ng bayag? So, eliminate vortent. Less heavier, less muscular, less tend to increase rate of live weight gain. So, if naka-straight yung animal, so it is not true, less heavier. Kaya nga ang purpose dyan is to increase the weight. Kaya natin kinaka-straight para yung sexual maturity, instead na yung body niya mag-produce siya ng testosterone or for sexual maturity, hindi na, idagdag na lang niya sa fats or sa weight gain. So, kaya nga, less heavier. What hormone is responsible for maintaining cow pregnancy? What hormone is responsible for maintaining cow pregnancy? Progesterone, oxytocin, prostaglandin, LH. It is the progesterone. The FF are the zebu breeds of cattle. The following are the zebu breeds of cattle except zebu, Simmental, Cancrip, Kishna, Sahiwal, Parkal. So it is the Simmental. Simmental. What is term for matured male breeding carabao? Carabol. So, tapos na po pala. Doon lang. So, hopefully, na-understand. So, see you sa next subject po natin sa animal science.